Every corner of this home tells a story. Bold use of color and pattern adds depth and character, from striking wallpapers in the hallways to luxurious marbles and opulent lighting in the bathrooms. Sitting rooms exude comfort and sophistication, with richly textured cushions and graphic rugs that invite you to linger. And we will explore all the rooms now. This welcoming entryway features slate floors, olive walls, a vintage console with lamps and flowers, a carved bench with plaid upholstery, and framed maps. An arched doorway and glass-paneled exit showcase greenery, while a nautical pendant light adds charm. It's a blend of rustic elegance and warmth. This is a vintage-style dining room that features green walls, rustic wooden beams, a round wooden table, and red and gray upholstered chairs. A vibrant red sideboard with silver lamps and a floral arrangement adds charm, while herringbone flooring and a subtle willow mural complete the cozy, elegant look. This elegant corner features deep green walls, exposed beams, and a gilded floral wall sculpture. A black console table with golden urn vases adds sophistication, framed by patterned drapes and warm herringbone flooring, creating a refined and inviting space. Welcome to this elegant and inviting living room, a perfect blend of timeless sophistication and cozy comfort. The sage green walls with crisp white molding create a serene backdrop, while the marble fireplace, adorned with a gilded mirror and flanked by symmetrical sconces, serves as the room's focal point. Plush velvet sofas and damask armchairs, accented with embroidered cushions, invite relaxation, while the tufted ottoman and curated books add charm and functionality. The mustard yellow drapes with intricate trims bring a bold touch, beautifully harmonized with the patterned rug. Personal touches, such as traditional artwork, antique furniture, and family photos, infuse warmth and character. This living room is a refined yet welcoming space, ideal for both gatherings and quiet moments. Now we come to this enchanting powder room and hallway. The powder room features vibrant floral wallpaper with delicate birds, complemented by luxurious gold-patterned tiles and brass fixtures. The vintage mirror and lavender cabinets add charm and elegance, creating a bold yet inviting space. The hallway boasts slate flooring and muted gray paneling, offering a sleek and understated contrast to the colorful powder room. Functional elements like vintage coat hooks and a matte black radiator complete the sophisticated look, making this home both welcoming and memorable. This cozy living room combines rustic charm with modern comfort. Exposed beams, terracotta walls, and a geometric patterned sofa create a warm atmosphere. Large windows flood the space with light, highlighting a colorful window seat. Decorative touches like woven art, a brass lamp, and fresh tulips add personality, while the fireplace enhances the inviting vibe. Stylish and comfortable, it's perfect for guests. This is a stairway landing that combines vintage charm and elegance. Floral wallpaper and patterned carpeting add warmth, while the neutral balustrade with wooden handrails enhances its classic appeal. A striking brass pendant light adds a modern touch, making this space both functional and inviting. This elegant bedroom features soft green walls with delicate floral motifs and seamless built-in wardrobes. A cozy armchair and ottoman provide a relaxing nook, while a wooden dressing table with a lime green chair adds charm. Natural light and flowing white curtains create a serene and inviting atmosphere. This elegant bathroom blends classic charm with modern comfort. Sage green walls, warm wood flooring, and paneling create a serene ambience. A freestanding bathtub, double vanity with chrome fixtures, and a frameless shower add practicality and style. Decorative touches like botanical prints and a soft rug complete this tranquil and luxurious retreat. This cozy home library features deep gray built-in bookshelves filled with books, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. A large window with a cushioned bench offers a charming reading nook, while a green armchair provides a cozy seating option. Natural light highlights the textured rug, and modern lighting adds style and functionality, making it a perfect retreat for reading and relaxation. This is an elegant bedroom that mixes muted green and gold botanical wallpaper with a cozy armchair, an antique wardrobe, and a neutral upholstered headboard adorned with embroidered bedding. A wooden desk under the window and a black bedside table with a metallic lamp add charm, while natural light, delicate curtains, decorative accents, and fresh flowers create a tranquil and sophisticated retreat for guests. This elegant room showcases a classic four-poster bed with a vibrant red and white ruffled canopy as its centerpiece. The muted pastel walls, adorned with botanical prints, harmonize beautifully with the floral patterned curtains and area rug. Matching bedside tables with green shaded lamps frame the bed, enhancing its regal charm. A cozy armchair with a fringed ottoman by the window creates a serene reading nook. The vintage mirrored wardrobe and a vanity with golden sconces add functional elegance. Soft lighting, floral accents, and timeless furniture create a warm and inviting atmosphere for guests to enjoy. Step into a vibrant nook that features a green accent wall, colorful cushions, and a floral tufted daybed, creating a lively and inviting retreat. Soft curtains frame the window, while industrial sconces add a modern touch. Perfect for relaxing, this space blends comfort with bold, bohemian charm. This space blends rustic charm and functionality with brick flooring, sage green walls, and bold yellow wallpaper. The utility room beyond features white cabinets, wicker baskets, and a practical stone floor, creating a cozy and welcoming vibe for guests. This powder room combines vintage charm and rustic elegance. Mint green subway tiles with a black border brighten the space, while a gold mirror and soft sconces add sophistication. The open-shelved vanity with wicker baskets and brick flooring provide practicality and warmth, making it a welcoming and stylish space for guests. This dining room combines bold elegance with classic charm. The dark table is surrounded by vibrant red tufted chairs, balanced by muted green accents. Oversized metal pendant lights add industrial flair, while the marble fireplace and built-in cabinets bring symmetry and tradition. Natural light highlights the herringbone flooring and patterned bench, creating a welcoming and stylish space for guests. This bedroom is a serene retreat with soft green walls adorned with hand-painted branches and birds. A plush headboard, symmetrical blue bedside tables, and layered bedding create a cozy, elegant feel. Botanical prints and vintage-style sconces complete the tranquil, nature-inspired design.